You know what this game is missing? That's right. Sound. Welcome to episode 3 of my mini shooter experiment. First, I want to have a sound effect when I shoot. I have downloaded a sound effect of my choice. I have renamed it bang.mp3. I will store it in the same folder as my existing files. Going to my JavaScript file, I will add a new variable using the path to my new sound file. For simplicity, the gun sound will play every time I click in the game frame. Good. Now, I need a sound when my enemies shoot me. I will create a new audio variable for my enemies. I will use the same gun sound as for my own gun, but of course you can use a different sound file if you prefer. And I will set the volume a bit lower, because my enemies' guns are a bit further away than my own gun. The enemy gun sound variable will play every time an enemy shoots me. Excellent. Now, let the music play. I have downloaded a music loop from a website called Storyblocks. I will just rename it music.mp3. I will create a new audio variable for the music. And I will make it play as a loop. The music will start playing when the new game function is triggered. And here it is. There are many interesting ways of using sound. In the latest version of this game, I play a tumbling sound when my enemies fall, a ping sound when I shoot at a metallic object, and even specific sounds for vehicles and aircraft. What will you do with your sounds? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon on this channel.